If you're looking for a travel scooter that's simple, portable, and doesn't cost as much as the premium models out there, this might be the one to check out. This is the new GoGo Ultra X Gen 3, and today I'm going to show you a few things that I like about it, a few things that it can do, and a few things that you should know before you buy one. Now, the Ultra X has been around for a long time, but this is the new Gen 3 version. One of the biggest changes you'll notice is this redesigned deck. You've got more usable space down there, which means more legroom and a little more freedom when you're getting on and off of the scooter. And Pride also added this wraparound delta tiller. I really like this style because you don't have to hold on to it in any particular way. You can use your fingers, your thumbs, or change your hand position while you're driving. Now let's actually drive it. Top speed is about 4.3 miles per hour, which is right where I'd expect a travel scooter like this to be. It's not supposed to be a high-speed scooter. This is designed more for things like shopping, restaurants, appointments, vacations, or just having something portable you can take with you. Because this is the four-wheel version, you get that added stability. But you're also going to give up some maneuverability compared to a three-wheel scooter. You get a 17 by 17 inch seat, the adjustable armrest, and that extra deck space, it definitely helps. The seat also swivels, which makes getting on and off of it much easier. But here is something important. The scooter does not have suspension. So if you're expecting something that's going to soak up rough sidewalks, grass, gravel, or really uneven terrain in general, this isn't what I would choose exactly. The battery pack lifts right off of the scooter, and I like this design because there aren't any cables you have to disconnect every time. But probably the biggest reason somebody buys a scooter like this is portability. The Ultra X Gen 3 uses Pride's Feather Touch disassembly system. As usual, it breaks down into 5 pieces without needing any tools. And the heaviest individual section is about 36 pounds, so it's not too bad. And that's what makes a scooter like this so useful. So after spending some time with it, here's what I like. The new deck gives you noticeably better legroom. The Delta tiller feels comfortable. The four-wheel design feels stable, and most importantly, it's extremely easy to take apart and transport. Depending on the rider's weight and condition, you're looking at up to about 8.9 miles per charge, and the scooter has a 300-pound weight capacity. I think Pride did a really great job with it. And if you'd like to learn more about this new GoGo Ultra X Gen 3 model, you can visit us at AutoMobilityStore.com. And if you're not sure which scooter is right for you, give us a call, 800-431-3183.